Hello everyone, how are you? I think all of you are very well. I'm here today. I will discuss about the difference between a little and a few. I think all of you knows about the meaning of a little and a few. And now today I will discuss about the difference using between a little and a few. If you notice that a little and a few just same, but what is the difference between that? Of course, it is a questions by most of the learners. I will clear it. This is something like the using of a little and a few. A little means just a little numbers of something. It contains a positive word, it contains a positive meanings with uncountable nouns. A little, it contains a positive meanings with uncountable nouns that we cannot count. There is a lot of nouns that we cannot count, but there is a lot of nouns also we can count it. A little is used only to introduce that kind of nouns that are uncountable, that cannot be counted, and a few is used to introduce that kinds of nouns that are countable. Let's say check. I need a little water is uncountable noun. On the other hand, there are, for example, a few. I have a friend. I have a friend. It's a countable noun. So, guys, I think you were cleared by this discussion and the difference between little and a few. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe my channel and share, like and comment this video. Thank you very much, and for inspiration me.